Good morning, Mr. Good. Maqanolsas sure for all like Corsirarlu to the Atolasuan, Tamararlu, Kingutikka, misissortik Atollarnerpums. So, really excited for that. Okay, så vi filmer på et skræmmuk. Hvis jeg kan blokke lige øje på called time. I was stuck in a container with 8 guys. Alright. Mr. Goods, det er 9:23 Mr. Tandlæge der er jeg så misissortik Atollarnerpums. And I'll see you down there.
Ja, det gør det.
Det ligner body armor. Sådan en bulletproof vest.
Det er den ikke. Den er blød.
Den
det
er
kun
blød.
Stråleproof.
Stråleproof.
Du får lige sådan en, den er ret lang.
Ja.
Det er det samme. Giv hen.
Smagte ordentligt. Det er sjovt, at de har set noget plakette herovre. Fedt, der er
Ja, stop det.
These are the tools of death. Okay, tandlægningen i Kingutikka before things goes too crazy. I'm sure det er så og det døgner så det er så der må der det der træner og den edit the vlog. Okay, men så kommer ingen ikke. Så går der noget så det så show. And I'm gonna hold myself accountable. Vintage nani summer. And I'm gonna include every one of you. You're gonna watch me not having sugar. Hopefully, you know what I'm missing that. We'll see about that. Jesus. Oh, who put the ice there? Huh? Træner ingen rangullu min. Amma. Kiuni kulluma træner aninguma. Nasaqti manikuakku. Nillallattorinaam. So I don't think there's going to be workout for today. Just gonna have to skip it. So it's up. Fuck off. Whew. Okay, we're back at the grab. Back at the grab. Suriaataarninni kiismalungisalerpakka Kingutikkasorlu tanstinni taippersimaaarmata issikasakkortulisimasasaas. And I feel like I have llama teeth. Ja, so tukusarpati that. So ayukuassi. Like, do we look alike? I don't know. Siaullumikkut ulapingaatiarpungut anna ullutulliuttu sulisiniamaulikkaarpungut junior wow, senior wow, it's going I don't want to say according to plan, aqango аллагаатитассиа сиуллерпаамик аллагаатиттуссаққивиттуи нааккатитерлунаамассингуйуулерпоқ and I'm so close. It's gonna be heat. It's gonna be fire. I'm gonna get busy. Okay. See, it's making me spit. Jesus. This is completely different. Completely different. Here's the thing. We're done. We're done. It's a finished product. It takes days to get done. Oh my God. So we're gonna get second opinions of that. Den rigtige pris, der viser til dig som absolut der så. And after that, I go med noget på vlog to the regular day-to-day basis. Der mange which is kind of stupid for a vlog. I got some other things in mind. But it's the execution that is hard. To execute the ideas. To get shit done. Would you guys like so I'm gonna bring that but I'm incredibly busy and so because it looks the same. It all looks the same. But I just couldn't get it done in time. I'm already tired. As a start. Alright, and vlog